In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could retrieve deleted text messages on an iPhone after 30 days. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up the Messages app on your device, and what you're going to want to do is tap the three lines up in the top right corner, and then from here go ahead and select recently deleted. Now this is going to show you all the messages that were deleted within the last 30 days, and you can recover these directly from here. But if your messages aren't showing up or it's been more than 30 days, what you're going to want to do is actually back out of your Messages app and actually go ahead and open up your Settings app. Tap in your name up at the very top and then go ahead and select iCloud, and from here go ahead and select messages and just make sure that use on this iPhone is turned on just like so. When this is enabled, your messages are synced directly to your iCloud, meaning that even if they're permanently removed from recently deleted, they may still exist on your iCloud data. To check them, open up any web browser and just go to iCloud.com, sign in with your Apple ID, and review your stored messages. You can do this on your phone or really any device, it doesn't necessarily matter. But that is it. That is how you can retrieve deleted text messages on your iPhone after 30 days. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.